Look, let's just be honest. Security guard companies are getting squeezed. Most are running on razor-thin margins, about 5.5% net profit. That's less than half of other industries. So what if you could triple your profits, cut your costs in half, and deliver a better service at the same time? Yeah, that's exactly what's happening right now. And if you're not paying attention, your competitors are. Here's the shift. Security is no longer just guards. A combination of physical presence and smart technology. And the companies adopting it? Well, they're winning more contracts, they're scaling faster, and they're making way more money. Let's break down the tech stack driving this. On-site CCTV systems, cellular communications, no internet required, cloud-based management, AI detection with human verification, and live remote dispatch and response. Individually, these are powerful tools. Combined, they completely change the business model. Let me show you how this works in the real world. Imagine a gravel pit with a main entry gate. The owner needs 24/7 access control. Simple requirements: identify every visitor, log every entry, and open the gate when authorized. Option 1, traditional security guard. You post a guard on site 24/7. The national average cost per guard is $35 to $50 an hour. This service, the cost to the customer, right around $5,600 to $8,000 a month to man that gate 24/7. And your profit, maybe $300 to $400. And that's before call-offs, liability, and human error. Now let's look at a smarter option. Option 2, the remote guard system. You simply install a guard box at the gate. What's a guard box? The guard box is a self-contained unit. It mounts anywhere, and its only requirement is normal 110 volt power. It's equipped with its own communications, works anywhere, stores 2 weeks of video recording on demand, provides two-way communication, and has full alarm light and siren activation. The unit provides everything that you need on site to remotely manage a perimeter gate. Here's what happens. A vehicle pulls up, AI instantly detects it, a live monitoring agent gets the alert with video within a second, they speak to the driver through the two-way audio, they verify their identity and the reason they're there, they log the event, and they remotely open the gate. No delays, no missed logs, no guessing. Every interaction is recorded, searchable, and backed by video. And the reason you're going to have such a high retention rate with your customers is the detailed daily and weekly reports that they automatically receive. You don't have to spend hours putting them together. They're automatic, sent to them showing every interaction, complete oversight for the customer. Bottom line, the customer sees daily and weekly that their dollar spent is working hard for them. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets crazy. Your cost is about $500 to have a licensed electrician install the guard box on a guard building or a pole. And your operational cost per month, including rental of the equipment and all support services, is $599 a month for the rental of the system, the data, and unlimited support. Your price to the customer should be around $1,500 a month. What's the result? That's a 75% savings to the customer. You just beat your competition. And you have a massive jump in your profit margins from 5 to 60%. And believe it or not, your business just got a lot easier to manage because that guard box does not call in sick. It does not miss events. It gives you full oversight and accountability to remotely manage that gate for that customer. But it gets even better. Less reliance on staff, lower liability and insurance risks, no call-outs or no-shows are gone. You have higher reliability and full reporting and accountability. It is the guard of the future. You're not just selling security anymore. You're selling visibility, control, and data. You might be thinking, well, we're not a tech company. We don't have the people or the infrastructure to pull this off. Reality is you absolutely do. Because when you partner with Backstreet Surveillance, you get all of our technical expertise, all of the support that you need so you can focus on your operation and not have to worry about equipment, hardware, or service. That's our job. You've just seen one example of how this technology can integrate into your guard operations and open up your margins for you, keep you competitive for the future. In the next video, we're going to go through step by step how to secure large perimeters, construction sites, and retail locations. Now remember to smash that subscribe button because you don't want to miss these videos. See you on the next one.